Good morning, everyone. Chapter 6, Town Traders and Craftsperson. Today we do discuss worksheet number 7. Let's do. Everyone, please write down your name, class, section, roll number. Yes. First question, pick the correct option. The craft person of this town was so famed for their inlay work in copper and silver. Options are Surat, A, B, Bijapur, C, Masulipatam, and D, Bidar. Yes, Anupriya.
Ma'am, D part Bidar is correct option.
But Bidar is correct option. Yes, thank you. Weaver who emerged as prosperous communities made donation to temples. Were they Saliyar, Kunjargalam, Chetis, Amantari, Tariha? Yes. Jia,
Ma'am, A Saliyar.
Saliyar. Yes, Jessica.
Ma'am, C Chetis.
C. Chetis. Saliyar is right answer. These things drew European trader to India. Art and craft, architecture, spices and cotton, and silk. Which things drew European traders to India? Yes, Arav Sharma.
Ma'am, C spices and cotton.
C. Spices and cotton. The communities who went on to become the principal trading groups of the country. Options are Kaikolars, Chetiyars and Marwari, Boras and Banyas, or Chhatrapatis. Yes, Jia.
Ma'am, B option Chetiyars and Marwari.
Chetiyars and Marwari. Other? Yes, Swastik. Yes, Swastik.
Ma'am, guilds. Am I audible?
No. Now you give me the name of that guild, beta. The options are, give me the answer from the option.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Yes.
Ma'am, Chetiyars and Marwaris.
Chetiyars and Marwari. To protect their interests, traders who had to pass through many kingdoms and forests and traveled in caravans formed communities, hatta, mandapika, guilds. Yes, Vyan.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is ma'am, Hatta.
No. The answer is Shravil. Answer is
Ma'am, fourth one.
yes, beta. Yes, Anshika. Yes, Anshika. Lavanya. Okay, Anshika.
Ma'am, guilds.
Yes, Anshika and Lavanya given the answer. Guilds. Yes, guilds. Answer is guilds. Come to the next one. State whether the following statements are true or false. The perennial river Krishna flows near the town Tanjore, the capital of Cholas. True or false? Yes, Ria.
Ma'am, false.
So it is the capital of Tanjore, the capital of Cholas. It is right. So the perennial river Krishna flow near this town. Not Krishna, Kaveri river. Okay. Rulers built temples to demonstrate their devotion to various deities. Pulkit Mathur.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Which
true,
option is
ma'am.
right?
This is, ma'am. Ma'am, this is true.
Yes, it is true.
Ma'am, second one is true. And ma'am, first one is also true.
Beta Kaveri river flow around this temple. Let's see. Temple authority use their wealth to pay tax to the rulers. Yes, Rajal. Yes, Rajal.
Ma'am, it is false as they use their wealth for trade and banking.
They have the traders, yes. Near Ajmer in a lake, Pushkar, which has attracted tourists from ancient times. True or false? Janmejay.
मैम ट्रू।
Yes. Uh, now come to filling the blanks using appropriate word. The Raja Rajeshwar temple was built in the Raja Rajeshwar temple. In which century? 11th century. Ajmer is associated with a Sufi saint. Name that Sufi saint. Yes, Dhavanya. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Pilgrim who flocked to the temple also made yes, Ria.
Ma'am, donations.
Donation. Bronze is an alloy containing dash and dash. Which material metal contain? Yes, Avika.
Ma'am, copper and tin.
Ruler built temple to demonstrate dash to various deity. Their same devotion. Move on next page, everyone. Match the item in column A with those in column B. Brisbane, Somnath, Kanchipuram and Madurai, Tirupati. Column B, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. So, Bill Samani. Yes, Dhavanya. Swastik. Yes, Swastik.
Ma'am, Andhra Pradesh. Ma'am, Andhra Pradesh.
No. Yes, Rachel. Somnath, Bilsavani in Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh. Somnath in, yes, Vyan. Somnath in
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Kanchipuram and Madurai in Stravel.
Ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. And Tirupati? Yes, Vivek, Tirupati? Andhra Pradesh. Very short answer type question. What was the other name of Salyar community? Yes, find out answer everyone. The other name of Salyar community?
Jean Baptiste Tavernier was a 17th century French gem merchant and traveler.
Yes. Which technique was used to make the Chola bronze statue? Milan? Chola bronze statue. Name that technique. The technique name was lost wax technique. From where did Gujarati trader bring gold and ivory? Gold and ivory. Yes. Abhika?
Africa.
Ma'am, yes, Africa is the right
Africa.
answer.
What was the capital of ancient Chola kingdom? Answer is yes, Asta.
Ma'am, Thanjavur.
Thanjavur was the capital of ancient Chola kingdom. Name two famous grids from the 8th century onward. And next, what is bell metal? So first question, name two famous grids. Yes, Sajal.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Answer?
Manigramam
Yes.
and Nandesi.
Give me complete answer, Sajal. Most famous guilds. Manigram and Nandesi. What is the bell metal? Yes, Swastik. Bell metal.
Ma'am, it is an alloy of copper and tin. It is used for making bells.
It is a alloy of copper and tin making sound. Used for making sound. Yes. So I hope everyone completed their worksheet. Everyone has completed their worksheet or not?